Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Samsung so the emulator can control location. Enable developer options and USB debugging, and install a reliable fake GPS app. This lets apps accept simulated coordinates. Once done, allow mock locations in developer options so the phone trusts the emulator. Make sure your PC has a DB installed. A DB lets you push settings and confirm the mock provider. These first steps open the system to location injection and prevent common permission blocks later. Once connected, confirm a DB sees your Samsung, and then set the fake GPS app as the mock location provider so Android routes location requests to it. Open the fake GPS app, search or drop a pin on the coordinates you need, and press Start. This injects the new location into system services. Make sure to verify by opening Google Maps or a location-aware app. This confirms the phone receives the spoofed signal rather than a cached GPS reading. To finalize, force stop or restart any apps that use location so they accept the new mock coordinates and confirm continuous updates in the fake GPS app. If an app detects spoofing, change the fake GPS app, lower update intervals, or increase accuracy to mimic real movement. This reduces detection risk. If problems persist, reboot the device and re-enable mock location. When finished, disable mock location and USB debugging to restore standard security and normal GPS behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.